Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how we can buy Bitcoin in Venezuela. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase. Coinbase is an amazing company and they're trading cryptocurrency for a really long time right now. And you just add here the first name, last name, email and password, and then you will get a $10 for free. It depends like what currency you have, of course. And I'm going to show you how you can easily buy Bitcoin. So you come here, and in Coinbase, you click View Asset. And when you're going to be here, you can simply buy Bitcoin and you can pay with wallet or your bank and just add here 100 euro. Oh, my camera went off. I'm turning it back on. And now you just simply go Preview Buy. And here you can simply purchase, Coinbase fee and price. And when you're going to do it, you can simply sell it. When you're gonna want to sell it, and how we can withdraw the money. This is the question. You can go to portfolio, click on an asset that you have, and you can transfer funds and withdraw again to 500 euro and continue. And now you get a fee and everything, and you want to withdraw it to your bank account that you have. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can simply do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. And don't forget to use the link in the description so you get $10 for free. See ya.